Oh! Come up!
You just... Let's do it.
Yeah, it works! That's what I did!
Fucking tree, that's what.
That's what I did! Just go! Don't go slow! Everyone can do it slow! Go on, power! No. Take a run up on the way back, John. No, come on, what's the point otherwise? Hang on. Kill it back. Come on, I want to get some videos.
We want to see chicken.
Come on, God. Give it loads. Come on. What are you flapping? It don't even hurt if you fall off in here. Stuff. I'm going home if you don't do it. That's because he went slow. Patter a gwerd, man. What a boring video.
Oh, yeah.
Throw the shit at him, Will. Go on, he's coming. He fucking jumped off. Come on, stunts. I done it. I've done it enough times. I'm going home then. What's the point then? Should we go through that bit? That bit. You should see that video, he just jumped off. No, I'm not, because I've been doing it as well. I ain't been just egging you on. Didn't you see me go mad? It's your bike, I don't want to break it, that's all. That's the point, it's not going to break in here, it's soft landings, just stay away from the tree.
I hit a tree.
If you're going fast though, seriously, you get through the mud. Otherwise you just get stuck, don't you? There's kids over there.
What else is that?
There's that rip through there, isn't there? The big one. That one. He's come up! He's back to the bus. Good, he sussed it through there.